So any website to create the business mapping. Any website to create the business mapping. Reason is called one business may promote for multiple locations. One business promoting for multiple locations. First of all, that is very important by the your particular Google business. So any people searching for indoor swimming pool in Kondapur. When searching people, anyone here, they go into particular website. This is called people automatically receive by the your website URL. Means the mapping will read by the your website URL. Means this will be generated by a traffic. How to apply this kind of Google business mapping? That is called any Google business mapping will be two important. One is address, second will be your phone number. That is will be created by business.google.com. Add location, add single location. So write down here business name, season, indoor, swimming pool in Eragada. Writing for Hyderabad. So you're writing any options. Swimming classes, coaching, etc. You can add by swimming class and coaching. Click for next. So do you have add the location customer to visit your like shop or office? Yes. I have add my location. Yes. Next. After that, your mapping will be location for first of all country selection, or India or other country. You can create mapping any location on other country also. See this. So I'm reading for where? India. After that, you can add your street address. That is called your flat number, or you can call by your house number. So I'm adding for address here. Wait for a second. So this is I'm adding for address, flat number, and beside for the landmark and town, pin code and your district. One is a country important, second will be district important. So, so state important. So one is your town and city important. Click for next. You're located by your address. So that will be very important by your red tick mark. We'll check again, mapping will be decided. Adding location, click for next. So after that, you also serve customer outside this location. Nearby all places. Yes. I also serve by outside my location also. Next. What are the areas? I'm targeted by the Sanad Nagar, Amirpet, SR Nagar, Bharat Nagar, Musapet. Sorry, this is a Delhi. Motinagar is Hyderabad, not in Delhi. So had by your perfect option. This is the Motinagar, Hyderabad. So what are the location by nearby? You can add it. Begumpet, Panjagutta. I can add. After latter, you can add any places in your particular option. Click for next. The final one is your category, swimming pool. This is a swimming pool. I'm adding Friday will be swimming pool. Click for next. Without adding for outside places, the target by will be very tough. The places will be very mandated by nearby location on your mapping. We can suddenly up to we can target by all nearby up to 20 kilometers radius pin numbers. So copy the URL. paste it. Without Google Map, without website also you can create by Google Map. That is create by own free website created by the Google Mapping also. And very important, your phone number is mandatory for Google Mapping verification. Without adding phone number, the Google Mapping will be not verified successfully. Adding phone number here. So after adding your phone number and website address, click for next. Any Google Map verification will be successful, will be finished by on time. If your verification will be two process. One is called along with your business address verified by 12 days, one process. Second one, within second will be verified with your phone number. This will activate by the exactly 3 working days after receive your phone number verification code. Your phone number will be missing, is not accepting. The verification process will be stopped by the your Google Map business. Phone number verification will be 3 days. Postal card verification will be 12 working days, except Saturday and Sunday. So enter the verification code by 6 digits. You will verify after 3 days. I'm enter the code here. Click for verify. Click for get started. And always remember, after verify your phone number with the Google Map, very important option call is add hours and add description is very important. Add hours and add description. Description will be your swimming pool, what are the timings, everything will know by the description. And second will be logo. That is called, an option will be here. What is that? Information. You can update by each and every options. Each and every option. After creating Google Map, these are updating is very, very important. Pending review, the review will be after 3 working days. So, first hours, select it. Six, the finish by the 10, nothing but select by the 10 o'clock, 22. Same time repeat by the all. Save option. Okay. Any special hours, like you are conducting any special hour events, you can add by special hours. This will be add your business description is very powerful on your information. Add your information. I'm writing for description, click for apply. So any description will apply by the only for 750 characters. Click for apply it. Everything done. So automatically looking here. And next one, you can update your option call is photos. Photos will be very important by your logos and your images. So this one, logo is very important and you add by particular option. Select it. Select your computer part. Select your particular documentation. Particular folder. Add your logo. These are the very important by add your logo option. Logo will be always selected by the 500 by 500 pixel. Cover image. So based on that, you can select your all options by your business updating here. So you can add the videos, interior, exterior, you can update by your images. So this is called, you can create successfully your Google Map my business on particular website by the multiple location. Each website we can create the Google map. For location we will create the Google map option. This is very important by the Google map my business creation by particular websites.